Welcome to the channel. Today I thought we'll have a look at one of the technology like a stock NUIX, and XL is the ticket code. You can see it. It was floated in ASX in December last year, and it had a good run. Then you can see from the graph it is dropping, and it's like what do you call, going downhill. But now we are here to see, has it found some support? That's what we are here to have a look. I'm not sure, but I am here to show you. If you want, you can play this stock with stop loss and see how you go, because there's if it has found support, it has a high potential as per my understanding from reading about it. So what this company do? So I put this is the description from the trading view. So they mainly, its platform support cases including criminal investigation, financial crime, litigation support, employee and insider investigation, legal e-discovery, data protection, privacy and data governance, and regulatory compliance. So my understanding is they have involved in a lot of these criminal investigations, because their platform provide sort of what you call, like, see, the indexing, searching, analyzing and extracting knowledge from unstructured data. So their software can able to extract the data from a lot of so many data all over the place. They can extract the relevant information. So they are famous with this investigation industry. That's how I understand. As you can see, since it is floated from that low, it has gone 62% up to, what's that, $11.87. Then it started its downtrend and it has lost about 81% to this bottom. As you can see, there are a lot of high volume days in this graph, and I have put here, I put the daily chart because weekly you don't have much data. So I'll make this bigger so you can have a look. So how I like to engage or involve with this stock is, see, the risk to reward ratio. This is the risk to reward ratio. So what I am thinking is, this is the current pricing, and this is my what do you call, the level I put my stop loss. So if I buy it here, and if my stop loss triggers, then I lose 15%. But if this start going up from this level, because it's a very sort of a good business, this is to the previous resistance, you can gain 46%. But if you think to the previous top, let's measure from here. This is the current value. I'll just get roughly to the previous top, you get 360%. You never know, but because it has dropped now 81% already from its top, and yeah, and you never know how far it can drop. Nobody knows, but how it looks, you can play um, play it safely, because see, this is the, so it found support here. That's $2.17. There's a big bar here, volume. Then the volume has dropped, but it's relatively higher volume. Then it's reversed, and this is that support level. Previously, this stock has been supported. So it went up, tried to go up, then came down again. So last week it has gone slightly up. So you can have a look this week how, sorry, this is the daily, last day, Friday, it has slightly gone up. You can see, if I were you, I would keep a very close eye on this stock to see if it start going up, like inching upwards, just to see what it does. Because if this is the bottom, it may do a little bit of what do you call, consolidation around this area before it start moving up. Another thing is, since this is a bit, when I read in the sort of newspapers and other places, this NUIX is sort of a known company, even though they came to ASX December, but it has been a known company in the industry for a while for these investigations. So if it is a really, let's say, I don't know much, but let's say if it is a good company and it had a bad run, it may be a target of a takeover. So who knows, you may get a bid from another party and prices will jump up. So yeah, at this stage it looks okay. I'm not saying this is the greatest stock or looking great, but what I am looking at is risk to reward ratio. If this is the bottom, you have a very good reward, but nobody knows whether it's this bottom or it will go further down. That's why I'm saying, if I buy it, I would put a stop loss here just below $2.19, or let's say $2.15, and see how it moves. So if you lose 15%, but if you like reward, your reward is very high. Even it comes to here, previous resistance, you gain 46%. If it move further up, your reward is very high. So I personally think, if you are a person like to take a risk, keep pushing this stock and buy when you think risk to reward is right for you, then see how you go. That's all. I just wanted to show you this nice setup to see this stock. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and like my video. That will help my channel. Thanks.